Hey everyone, if your Docsify routes are not working, like pages not opening, sidebar links broken, or blank pages showing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Docsify routing problems in 2026. First, check your URL format. Docsify uses hash-based routing, so your links must include a hashtag for pages to load correctly. Next, check your sidebar links. Incorrect paths or missing file names can completely break navigation between pages. Make sure load sidebar is enabled and your routing settings in the index file are correct. Without proper configuration, routes will not work properly. Restart your Docsify server. Routing changes often do not apply until you restart the local development server. Try clearing your browser cache. Old cached routing data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Check your file structure. Missing markdown files will cause broken links when you click sidebar items. And finally, update or reinstall Docsify if nothing works. Outdated versions can also cause routing issues and unexpected behavior. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Docsify routing problems. Follow each step carefully and your navigation should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!